Hey there, homeowners! Ever pause to think about what's going down your garbage disposal? Well, today, I'm breaking down 14 items you should never put down your garbage disposal. Trust me, avoiding these can save you a world of trouble. First up, it might be liquid now, but once it cools, it solidifies and clogs your pipes. Next, they might seem harmless, but the membrane layer can wrap around the shredder, causing damage. Third, they clump together and create a sludgy mess that's tough to clear. Number 4, they expand with water and can block your pipes over time. Fifth, your disposal isn't made for tough materials like bones, they can break your blades. Sixth, things like peach or cherry pits are way too hard and can damage your disposal. Moving on to like celery and corn husks. Their fibers can tangle up the blades. 8, they form a starchy paste that's tough on your disposal. Number 9, much like bones, they're too hard and can cause a lot of damage. 10th, their thin membrane can wrap around the blades and cause jams. 11, shrimp shells or crab shells are too tough and can break your disposal. 12th, things like rubber bands or twist ties should never go down your disposal. 13th, it can coat your pipes and cause severe blockages. And finally, they can corrode your pipes and disposal unit. So, there you have it. Avoid putting these 14 items down your garbage disposal, and you'll keep it running smoothly for years to come. Got any more tips? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.